So 111. Then this one we have 1 0 1 1 1 and 0. Okay. 111 is 111 bigger than 1. The answer is what? It's no. Is 111 bigger than 10? No. Is 111 bigger than 101? The answer is still no. Is 111 bigger than 1011? Yes. So because of that, I'll put my 1 in this place, okay? Because it is what? It is true. Okay, if it's true, put it as 1, and if it's false, put it as what? As 0, okay? So I might m, this is multiplication. So 1 times 111, I'm going to have 111, right? My subtraction, I'll go to minus. I'll first of all root my 9 and minus. I'll put my minus here. 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. 0 cannot minus 1. Remember, we are talking of base 2. So I'll borrow 1 from this. Any number I borrow is what? Is 2, because it's in base 2. So 2 plus 0 is what? Is 2. So I'll write the 2 at the top. So 2 minus 1 is what? Is 1. Okay. I'll go back to my D. Because I want to get this number here, so I have to put this number down. Okay. 1001, is it bigger than 111? Yes. Okay. So I'll put 1 here. So I'll go to my multiplication. 1 times 111. I'm still going to have 111. Okay. And my subtraction, what am I supposed to do? I'll first of all root my 9. I'll put minus. Definitely 1 minus 1 is what? Is 0. 0 cannot minus 1. I have to borrow 1 from this. But it's not possible for me to borrow from this 0 here, because 0 is also, because this is 0. So I have to borrow 1 from this. Okay, if I borrow 1 from 1, it will reduce to 0. Then anyone you borrow is what? Is 2. So 2 plus 0 is what? Is 2. So I'm going to write my 2 here. Definitely I still want to borrow from this 2. So if I borrow from this 2, the 2 will reduce to what? To 1. So this one will be 2. So 2 plus then that's 0 will become what? 2. Okay. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is what? 0. And this is what? 0. Okay. Of course, I want to get the number at the top here, isn't it? So I have to bring this 0 down. Okay. Is 100 bigger than 111? The answer is what? Is no. So I'm going to put 0 here. And my multiplication, there is 0 times 111 is what? It definitely is 0. In my subtraction, I'll root my 9. I'll put minus. Definitely is 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0. And this 1. Okay. So eventually I'll left with 110, remainder 100. Okay. Remember, they are all in base 2. Okay. So using this particular method helps. All you need to understand is the concept of this DAS, which stands for division, multiplication, and subtraction. Okay. If you can practice that, I believe you will be able to solve it. Go back to my video if you know that you are kind of stuck in some steps. Just go back to the video, watch it, and you understand the concept on how it is done. So thank you for listening to my video, and I'll see you next time.